recording the sewer line here at 14016 Midvale Avenue North. Date is June 23rd, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out here, the front of the property. This was an existing clean out when we arrived to do this project. I'm going to pull back. We're looking at the Seattle City main there. And get a good look. Show the liner did not go into the main. Just a couple inches short. 6-inch diameter new flow cure in place pipe liner. Right back to lip into the plastic. The PVC, this is existing PVC. There is our clean out I'm making this recording from. So we installed this liner through that clean out. Come out here and get a look at the building. This is 14016 Midvale. I'm going to end the video there.